Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Chisimdi and I am a student of the Federal University of Technology, Owerri, currently interning at DANGOTE Sugar Refinery. I have spent 2 months already and I'll be sharing my experience so far in this vlog. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. to prepare in order to catch the bus before 6 a.m. It is quite early but usually a reflective moment for me. On my first week, I had my safety induction, orientation and exposure to the refinery's policies and work culture. I met some fellow interns and we had a little cinematic moment on safety and then we were given our PPE. Moving on, I was introduced to my department and supervisor. I also got to see the loading bay area and the seaports. It was quite a view to behold, a little picture video moment and extra safety talk because everything here has to do with safety. And now it was time to get to work. I started my training in water treatment department, a utility unit in the refinery, where I was introduced to the sub-units in water treatment, that is the main water treatment plant, the demineralized water plant, reverse osmosis, the cooling towers, and effluent treatment plants. Water treatment basically pumps and treats the water that is being used in the refinery. Boreholes are channeled to the aqua plants, and we're currently standing on aqua plant A. On here we have the reverse osmosis, which is the white guy there. Next up, we're headed to the demineralized plant. I tend to walk really fast, so in the DM plant, you'd find the cationic chamber, the decarbonizer, and the anionic chamber. Now we're heading back to see the other aqua plants B and C, the treated water tank, the makeup tank, and the condensate tank. After the tour, I tried on my PPE, so here's a picture video moment. Making each day after year, changing my life with the wave of a hand. Full thick brows. Something else we do in water treatment is to take the flow rate of the chemicals used in treating the water. That's why I'm up here like Tarzan. Caustic soda is used to raise the pH of the water to neutrality. Chlorine kills germs partially and removes excess iron in the water. Sodium aluminate neutralizes and identifies charges, and then flocculant aids in settling particles. On a good day, we visited the effluent treatment plant where we saw the grit chamber, the ozone generator, the chemical application chamber, the microbiological chamber, and the disinfectant chamber. Each chamber has about 9 million liters of water, so basically anybody that falls in there is gone. I enjoyed my stay in water treatment, although I didn't get to film the routine water analysis I partake in before I left. That was because I forgot totally. And then finally we got to see the cooling towers. Part of the journey was going to the ITF office to submit our forms.
On the streets of Lagos, this is what we find.
We were literally on an island, but we got through and got back to the MPA gate. We were given our ID card shortly after the second week, and it was time to move to my next unit, Boiler House. Before I talk about Boiler House, there was tea day.
Come on. Honey, I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go with you if you want me.
Sexy. The refinery is so noisy it can make you deaf. Our instructor in Boiler House made sure we got earplugs. We were introduced to the control room and other parts of the boiler. Later in the future, we'll talk about how climbing to top views is a natural given skill.
Don't worry.
The refinery is powered by a steam turbine, and boiler house boils the water to 300 degrees Celsius, which is basically steam that is being sent to the powerhouse to generate full-time electricity. Morning goof to keep the mind sane, because now I was in the quality assurance unit. I worked in the main lab for a long while, which was quite tedious because we had a lot of routine analysis on sugar, liquor, and grain samples. I was introduced to and used different sample machines like refractometer for checking breaks, sacharimeter for checking the sucrose content in a solution, orbital shaker for dissolving sugar samples, eye check fluoro for vitamin A test, and conductivity meter for ash content.
Today we are going to go and get some chemical samples. We are working in caustic soda. Yep. So full PPC because we don't want our hands peeling. Yes. So, yeah.
I have learned a lot so far, technically and interpersonally. I also shared some bits of the experiences on my newsletter. Right now, it was time for my presentation. My topic was safety footwear in the refinery setting. Let me give you a moment to hear me out.
The common hazards that we find in the refinery, there should be some sort of balance with those holes that are created beneath our boots. Then an ankle support for improved stability. So you should not just wear some kind of kicks that would be less than your ankle length.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand.
You can call the presentation an extracurricular activity. And yeah, when I'm less busy, I usually just flip pages and read, engage in meaningful conversations, or bump into random snaps. Okay, that's what my journey has been like so far. Obviously, I can't film and say everything, but you've just seen the highlights of what it's like. I have gained practical, hands-on experiences, pushed beyond what I know, and built resilience over time. There's a whole lot more in the coming months, and I remain excited to learn and grow. Did I forget to mention food? Please come closer. We're giving meal tickets, and we get to spend them during our lunch breaks. There are 3 convenience canteens in the refinery, and that is where we go to chow. I hope you enjoyed the vlog so far and learned a 2 or 3. We start day at 8 and end by 5, and this is what my journey looks like going back. Most times I get home at 7 p.m. or past. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!